In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the size in Canva if you've ever needed to check the exact dimensions of a design. Whether it's for a social media post, a business card, or a banner, Canva makes it much easier than many people realize. Knowing your design size is important because it helps you avoid blurry exports, awkward cropping, and layouts that don't match the platform or print format you're designing for. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly where to look and how to confirm those measurements inside Canva. First, open your Canva project so you're inside the main editing workspace. And from the Canva homepage, go to your recent designs or wherever your file is stored, then open the design you want to inspect. Once the project loads, place your attention on the main canvas area so you know you're working in the correct file. Next, move your cursor to the top left area of the screen. Along the top toolbar, you'll see a menu labeled File. Click on File to open the drop-down menu. This is one of the quickest ways to view important information about your current design. Inside that File menu, look near the document title area. Canva displays the size of your active design there, and you'll usually see the dimensions shown clearly, such as 1080 by 1350 pixels for a portrait post or 3.5 by 2 inches for a print card. This gives you a fast way to confirm exactly what canvas size you're working with before making changes or downloading the design. There's also another helpful way to verify your dimensions. Move across the top toolbar and click on Magic Switch, which is the tool Canva uses for resizing and format adjustments. When that panel opens, look for the Custom Size section. This area lets you inspect the current width and height of your design in more detail. Once you open Custom Size, you'll be able to see the numeric values for the design dimensions, along with the measurement unit Canva is using. Depending on the design type, this could be in pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. This is especially useful if you're preparing something for print and need to double check physical sizing rather than just screen dimensions. After you've confirmed the size, close the panels and do a quick final review of your design. When you're ready to export, go to the top right corner, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG if you want a high quality image export, and then click Download to save your file. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to check the size of your Canva design quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the